Hey guys, welcome back to Palgang Cubing. If you're new to the channel, here we make cubing videos such as tutorials, reviews, unboxings, and more. So make sure to check out other content once you're done with this video. So let's get into this video, and what we're going to do here is we're going to disassemble and reassemble the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now there is a lot of things you need to know. Even though it may seem simple, there is one thing that you really need to know, and I'll go over that in the middle of the video. So let's get into it. Also, if you have seen my previous videos, you may notice that this is not the normal camera angle. I normally have it a different way, but let me know how you like the overhead camera view, because normally I do the other way, but since today we're going to do a assembly, I need space to put all the pieces, and this makes it easier, so let me know how you like it. So to take it apart, first what you do is you open it up like that, then you see the little edge bracket, and you can either take one piece out like that, make sure to do it gently, and then take another piece out, or you can just take the edge bracket out, but I'd recommend putting your pieces in one pile, and then putting your edge brackets in one pile. So take the edge brackets out, and then it should just come apart like that, and you can just keep doing that. So now that I have my 2x2 taken apart, here we have the pieces, and here we have the brackets. So, and we also have the core, so we'll put that aside right over here. Now, the important thing you need to know is that in the brackets, there are some brackets that look different than others. So if you look at these two brackets up close, as you can see, this one has that little pointy edge in the middle of it. So what you need to do is you need to put the ones with the pointy edge in one pile, and then the ones without the pointy edge in another pile, and then the ones with the pointy edge should have only 3. So there should only be 3, so I have 2, then I have 3 right here. So here I have my 3, and then up here I can put my other edge brackets. So we can keep them like that, and that's what you need to know. Now what you do is you take your core right over here, put one of the pointy edge brackets in. So you need to maneuver it a bit, but after a while it'll be in there, or maybe a little bit depending on how good it is for you. And then you put another one in of the pointy ones, and I can put it in like that. Then what you do is you put a piece in. It can be any one. I'm going to choose this piece, which is the red, white, and blue, and then I'm going to put that one in too. So now it looks like that, and now all you have to do is put the last pointy edge bracket in to secure this piece in place. Now this may be more of a process, it may take a bit longer, it's kind of difficult, but eventually it'll be in there, and now this piece won't move. It can corner twist though, but it won't move. Next what you do is you start building your first layer. So if I put my piece right here, and then I can just take a random piece, it doesn't matter if it's solved or not, because you can corner twist later, and I put that piece in, then I get a small edge bracket, put it in right there, next to it, and this may take a little while, but eventually it should get in there, and then I have that in there, and then what you need to do is immediately put another piece in, so it doesn't fall apart, and if your cube is magnetic like the one I have here, it should be pretty easy. So then you need to get another piece right here, and you need to put it in, and this is another edge bracket, and it should be pretty simple. And then you just put your last piece in the first layer on, and I can put it in just like that. And you don't need to pay attention again what pieces they are, because it won't matter. So now I have my whole first layer solved. So once you have your whole first layer solved on the bottom, then what you can do is put the thing down so it doesn't require you holding it, and it makes it easier. Then what you do is you put one edge bracket in just like that, put a piece in next to it, and then it will be right in there. And then what you need to do is you need to put another edge bracket next to it. And then you put a piece right in there, but first, before you put a piece in there, you need to put this other edge bracket in so that it will be easier to put your piece in. So I have that in, and now I can put my piece in, and since the other piece is already solved, I already have my other edge bracket in, And now since the other edge bracket is solved, it won't take too long to put this piece in. But first we need to put the bracket in, just like this. Put it in the back. Next we have our last piece in there. We'll put that one in, and now we have the 3 edge brackets that are last. First put that one in. Next we need to put another one in on this side right here. And make sure this one doesn't come out. Then you put this one in. And then what you do is you put your piece in, just like that. And it may need to be twisted a bit, but then you can put your edge bracket in after that. And it may help if you have a screwdriver to loosen the tensions a bit. So that might help if you're kind of stuck. But let's get this piece in. Alright, so now that I have all my pieces back in, my cube is all solved. And now I can just solve it like I would do for a normal cube. But you should come to a case like this, and if you didn't, then you're lucky. But next, what you need to do is if you come to another case, you just need to corner twist, just like that. So then the case is right, and then you should be good. Because some cases are incorrect, so you just need to corner twist when doing those cases, and then you can solve it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to disassemble and reassemble a 2x2. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you're very kind today and you feel happy, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content, and I hope you guys have a great day.